I'm going to show you in this video how you can install Locky Patcher on Android. Just go to this website here, apkpure.com. On this website, you're just going to download this APK Pure here. Tap and download this button here and tap on download APK. I have already downloaded this file and installed it, so I'm just going to cancel. So now let's go to the home screen and directly launch it. As you can see, I have the APK Pure here. Let's launch it. After it launches, you can allow the necessary permissions here, allow. And on the search box on the top, we can search in here Locky Patcher. I'm going to choose the latest version, that is 9, and tap on install. It's downloading, let's wait. Now we can allow the APK Pure to install files. Tap on allow from the source and go back. And it's installing now. Tap on final install. Obviously Google Play Protect will flag it as harmful, but it's totally safe. I have been using it for 4 years. So tap on more details here and tap on install anyway. And it's been installed. Tap on done. If I go to home screen, yeah, I can find Locky Patcher now and I can easily open it and use. So just like my video and subscribe my channel.